Hey guys, Mike from Caseco here. I got the new iPhone XS Max with me and we're gonna try some new cases. This is Bond Street from Caseco. Box looks nice. Digging that. Let's try out these cases. I'm gonna go with the black one because everyone loves a black folio. Let's try this bad boy out. The magnet, which I love. Nice close to it. Digging that. Has a hole there so you can actually pick up the call and close the flap while you're using it. Try this out. Alright, good viewing stand to watch movies. Let's see if all these cards fit. Still very thin. Comes in two colors, comes in the black and comes in the brown. Let's try both of them out. Actually, the brown looks really nice too. I actually like the brown. See, tactile button still there. Easy access to the ports. Raised lip. Camera protected. What's not to like? Let's see if this works with wireless charging, because everyone loves wireless charging these days. Blue light's on, which means it is charging. Real stylish looking case. I'm actually liking the style on this. I've just been told by the guys at Caseco that we can offer 10% off with promo code new iPhone. So check it out. Link is below.